Mike Hughes here. I'm at FloaterPaddle, and I'm looking at some new devices to help kids swim and snorkel around the fun way with Dan. And Dan, you want to tell us a little bit about your products?
Yeah. This is FloaterPaddle. It is a 3-in-1 swim device. It is a floaty, it is a paddle, and it is a kickboard. And it makes swimming a lot easier, and snorkeling too. So you can float with this, like
Put your arms out.
Vertical position,
right?
And then you can swim. Snorkeling is easy. You just do like this.
Just look down.
Yeah,
and those will keep you.
Look down. You don't have to.
They'll keep you floating up.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the
and for paddling. The last thing.
You know,
okay,
you can swim fast with this.
Right.
They use this the small ones.
Right. So we 2 sizes or 3 sizes.
4 sizes.
4. Oh my goodness, you're right.
This is the favorite of swim schools.
It's like those Russian dolls. You can put one inside another almost.
Yeah, for kids, small kids.
Right.
And this one like adolescents, and the one for adults. Yeah.
And the smallest for the little kids.
Yeah.
Just make them feel more comfortable in the water to get them in the water.
Exactly.
And playing in the water. And also you have one that's a blow up.
Yeah, this is the inflatable one. If they want this is the cheaper option.
Right, but that's not going to work.
But this doesn't.
Like this.
Yeah, this doesn't last. This one will last for years.
And you can swim faster because they're more.
And this is durable.
Hydrodynamic.
And yes, exactly.
Cool. And if they want more information about floater paddles,
FloaterPaddle.com.
That was easy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for.